Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you what I keep in my backpack for back to school. So I got myself my little backpack. I got little Guanxi and Pusa Buddha charm on there. And in here, I just store my Scentbird fragrance. Hashtag not sponsored, but you should sponsor me, Scentbird. I ran out of the fragrance, so I put holy water in there, so I got some holy water with me at all times. I got some Sage Otis Divine Masculine oil. Got all the protective energies. We got ourselves a little Chanel lip balm that is able to fit inside of there. Then we got ourselves a little makeup to cover up the little acne spots that we don't want seen, so we got some Altar for Men in there. We got some cash. And then we got all of our cards, all that good stuff to buy things. So that's what's in here. And then I also have another little pocket where I go ahead and keep more little vials of used fragrance that I had from Chanel, and I put holy water inside. So I got little mini bottles of holy water to bless my space and myself. And I have a little shungite crystal in here too. So all those good vibes in my little mini backpack. So that's what I have in my backpack, guys. Hope you really enjoyed my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me for my back to school vlogs. Do you guys miss that? Like those old back to school videos I used to do and stuff? I want to do them again, but I don't have time to do DIYs. Like I need to focus more on doing magical videos. When I work from home fully in the future, I'd love to get back into doing some DIYs as well as doing my magical stuff. But that was a little like funny little segment I wanted to do, a little skit, but I'll be more accurate for you guys. Like I don't go to school anymore, I go to work, but I do carry a backpack with me, and this is the one I'm using at the moment. It's got my little Coach charm, so I will do like what's in my backpack video. I don't have any snacks and the fun stuff. I usually have so much candy and snacks in here, but I kind of ran out. So long story short, guys, in here I got my little Sage Goddess oil. I usually carry my wristlet in here with all my oils, but I kind of try to tone down. I got my Palo Santo wood, I got some crystals in my little pouch, and I have the matching umbrella to this backpack that I carry with me when it's a little bit colder. Little chapstick. And we got ourselves some holy water, some sunglass cleaner. Got it from Dollar Tree, I was so surprised. Another Palo Santo stick. You never know, guys. And I got myself my little Coach pouch. I got my little clutch strap on here to make it a little clutch. And then we got all the goods in here. We got my little Coach, I got a little spell prayer for Goddess Nyx. I got my little Coach, what do you call it? Little small leather good accessory that I have my keys in here. It's got a little keychain in there. I got another bottle of holy water because I just used the clutch on its own too, guys. I got my little tablet. I got lotion in here. I have my amazing stylus pen flashlight thing. Okay guys, this is how you turn the flashlight on. You push the little bottom part, but it's a little flashlight. It's also a pen, and then you can use it as an actual stylus on your phone too, so I love that. I have that in here. I think that's it for my little pouch. And then what else is in here? My little Coach dust bag, and I keep my sunglasses in here. I keep my Versace sunglasses. I have my selenite wand. Always gotta have a magical crystal with you. That one is an amazing one. Healing, self-cleansing, takes away pain, angel energy. I got my MAC Prep and Prime lavender spray. I have my tripod that I always forget in here and never use. Because I'm at work working, and on my days off, like I just don't bring it with me because I forget. And then I also have another little pouch in here. I have my headphones and my little Coach headphone organizer. And I got my MAC Studio Fix in the wrong shade, but I used the mirror. And we got our little front pocket, guys. So in this front pocket I have, let's see, usually all my snacks and candy, but at the moment not that much. I have my tissues because of my runny nose. I got some gum. I have, what else? Let's see. I got my medicine, my ibuprofen for when I have pain in my jaws. I got another chapstick. So many tissues. Ooh, I got myself a lollipop in there. A little bit of candy, and I have a little dog pooping bag so I can go ahead and get some herbs. If I'm like walking around and see any herbs that I want to get from my magic, I got that. And I also have some cough drops in there from when I was sick. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is everything I have in my backpack, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little funny trolling video, but I don't go to school, but I still go to work, and I got some things in there, so. Oh, and I carry like a water, a soda, my lunch, or a coffee in my backpack too, guys, but don't have that in there at the moment. So if you guys enjoyed this fun video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you could be notified for future videos. But I hope you enjoyed the little funny segment. I love you guys, hope you have an amazing day. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Can we also talk about my necklaces, guys? I got this from their Witch's Moon box and this one from their Witch's Bounty box, which is the Aqua Aura Quartz, and they just pair so good together, that like moon energy. I just love it. It's amazing. Definitely check them out down below, guys.